we are going to draw the structure of Bodier magnitude and phase plot for derivative factor. If the open loop transfer function contains derivative factor, what will be the structure of Bodier magnitude and phase plot, that we are going to see in this video. So now we are going to consider, let g of s equal to k into s. It means derivative. Derivative na, it is a multiplication. So now g of j omega equal to k into j omega. So now the magnitude and the angle g of j omega, its magnitude is k omega, angle is always 90 degree. So now we can consider magnitude A in decibel. Magnitude in decibel equal to 20 log k omega. Angle is always 90. Therefore, now we can consider for various value of omega when omega equal to 0.1 by k. So when omega equal to 0.1 k, log 20 k divided by 0.1 k. So now log 10. Therefore 20. So when omega equal to 1 by k. So when omega equal to 1 by k, 20 log k divided by k. Therefore 20 log 1. So we know log 1 is 0. So 20 into 0, 0. So it is 0 decibel. It is 20 decibel. This is 0 decibel. So now when omega equal to 10 by k, 20 log k divided by 10k equal to, its magnitude is plus 20 decibel. Actually here omega equal to 0.1 k, therefore k into 0.1 here divided by k. This k and this k will get cancelled, therefore 20 log 0.1. So 20 log 0.1 is minus 20 decibel. Next to omega equal to 1 by k, so k into 1 by k log 1. Log 1 is 0 decibel. So now omega equal to 10k. It means here k into 10 divided by k. So this k according to omega equal to 10 divided by k. So here omega we have to substitute. So once again we can substitute 20 log k. Omega value is 10 by k. So now k will cancel. Finally it is plus 20 decibel. So when omega equal to 0.1 divided by k, its magnitude is minus 20 decibel. When omega equal to 1 by k, its magnitude is 0 decibel. When omega equal to 10 by k, its magnitude is 20 decibel. Here angle is always 90 degree. So now we can take common x-axis. In that we can mark various value of omega. First omega equal to 0.1 by k. Next omega equal to 1 by k. Then omega equal to 10 by k. So for that we can, next in the y-axis we can consider two parts. One part is to draw the magnitude plot. Second part is to draw the phase plot for common x-axis. So now we can draw this line. So now angle is always plus 90. Therefore here plus 90 degree. So angle is always plus 90 degree. So now for omega equal to 0.1 k, its value is minus 20. So this we can consider minus 20. If we draw, this is plus 20 decibel. So here minus 20. When omega equal to 1 by k, its magnitude is 0 decibel. So here 0 decibel. So when omega equal to 10 by k, it is positive. Therefore here positive. So we can mark. So this is the slope for s alone. The slope is plus 20 decibel. It means we know the slope. This is minus 20, this is 0, this is 20. It means from one frequency to another frequency, the change in magnitude is 0 minus 20. Therefore 0 plus 20 equal to plus 20. Therefore here slope is plus 20 decibel per second. Next angle is always 90 degree. So when power n will come at the time, so we have to multiply the gain with 20 into n decibel. Angle is always 90 degree into n. So when the s power term comes, at the time we have to multiply the slope with n, we have to multiply the angle with n. So that's all about the structure of Bode-Ear magnitude and phase plots for derivative factor.